The CFA Institute Professional Conduct Program, PCP, along with the Disciplinary Review Committee, DRC, are responsible for enforcing the code and standards. The CFA Institute Board of Governors is responsible for overseeing the PCP. The PCP can initiate inquiries into violations based on several sources. First, disclosures made by members and candidates on the annual professional conduct statement. Any circumstances that may cast a doubt on the members' and candidates' professional conduct need to be reported. Second, complaints received by the PCP. Third, public sources such as the media or the regulators. Fourth, proctors who supervise candidate behavior and report on rule violations on exam day. Finally, the results of analysis of exam scores and material as well as online media to uncover any dissemination of confidential exam information. After initiating an inquiry, the PCP staff starts an investigation, which may involve the following: a request for the member or candidate to submit a written explanation of the issue, an interview of the member or candidate, the submitter of the complaint, and concerned third parties, and the collection of documents and records. Then, the investigation gathered information is examined, followed by a decision made by the professional conduct staff. The decision may be not to issue a disciplinary sanction, to issue a cautionary letter, or to take disciplinary action against the member or candidate. The member or candidate may or may not accept the violation charges and proposed sanction. If these are rejected, then the issue is referred to a panel made up of DRC members whose role is to rule whether any violations occurred, and on the nature of sanctions to be imposed, if any. Some of the consequences of the sanctions imposed by CFA Institute include suspension of use of the CFA designation and membership, revocation of the CFA charter, and suspension from further participation in the CFA program. Find the full Abidance by the Code of Ethics and the Standards of Professional Conduct video on www.cognivisio.com.